What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you some fantastic trick of all Pubg versions, including Pubg Lite. So let's get started. Focus on the sprint button. It has a minimum range of sprint. Now focus on the joystick. You have to low-high the sprint and the fire button. Did you notice that the sprint range is going down? When the sprint comes into the middle, your movement will be faster. Now, the sprint range is not minimum, and it will make your movement fast. Now let's go for some other version. We are now in Pubg Lite. Now, we are gonna follow the same step for all versions. Watch carefully. The sprint range will come into the middle, and it gonna make your movement fast. The sprint is coming into the middle slowly. And now it's ready for some boom bomb movement. Enjoy the gameplay.
Take me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies.
Subscribe to get more tips and tricks video. Thanks for watching.